Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have something extremely special. This is the 1993 Mazda RX7 with 38,000 all original miles. Yes, this is a 38,000 mile RX7. Oh, I just photographed it for Bring a Trailer, did a quick little drive video for Bring a Trailer. I think that's closed, but I'm not 100%. That's closed. AC blows ice cold and I love it. Five-speed manual gearbox. So the only mod on this car is a turbo timer. Everything else is all stock. And it's kind of crazy to drive one of these JDM icons. First of all, it draws a ton of attention, especially from the younger crowd. Because I mean, we grew up with these cars. I was born in '99, so the car had already established itself. But Fast and the Furious really made this car super desirable. It was desirable back in its day too, but this has now become a cultural icon, and this is a museum quality example. Doesn't have less than 1,000 miles, so you can put miles on it and be okay. It's all original, very little mods. The only mod is one that you should really have on a turbo car from factory anyway. They did the leak down test, the compression test, everything checked out perfect. car. This is the cleanest RX7 I've ever seen. It smells like 90s in here. I love it. The thing is, a lot of people are importing right-hand drive JDM examples. This is USDM. This is a US spec car, which is much rarer, in my opinion, and the opinion of a couple people I've talked to. Because everybody brings in a Japanese one. Finding a clean US example, that takes a lot of skill. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.